If you keep clicking on remote job videos only to realize the job still expects phone calls, meetings, or being on camera all day, this video is for you. A lot of people search for remote work hoping for quiet, independent tasks, but many roles still involve constant talking. Today we're looking at chat-only customer support jobs where communication happens mainly through typing. I didn't pull these from recycled blog lists. I reviewed real job postings, company career pages, and hiring discussions, including what people don't like about these roles. I'll also be honest about trade-offs like time tracking, multiple chats, and region limits, so you don't waste hours applying blindly. These are real roles companies actively hire for, not shortcuts and not easy money jobs. Some people don't just want remote work. They want quiet work. Work where communication happens in writing and expectations are clear. If you've ever felt too quiet for customer service, you're not alone. Chat-based roles reward people who read carefully and write clearly. These jobs appear across the United States, India, Nigeria, the Philippines, and other global markets, depending on the company. One of the jobs near the end of this list often pays $20 to $27 per hour, is completely chat-based, and most job seekers never search for it. Not because it's hidden, but because they don't know what to call it. Today I'm breaking down 7 chat-only remote support roles. We'll start with easier entry-level chat roles, then move into better-paying, more competitive options. For each job, I'll cover who it's for, realistic pay, how quiet it actually is, regions, 1 green flag, 1 trade-off, and what to search for when applying. Let's start with the most accessible option. This one is entry-level, widely available, and a strong starting point if you're new to chat support. Job number 1 is live chat customer support. This is the easiest place to start if you want chat-only work. Reality check. In many live chat roles, you'll handle 2 to 3 chats at once you're trained. If your typing speed is around 35 to 45 words per minute, and you can stay calm, you can do well, and you'll get faster with practice. Customers type questions into a chat box and you respond using saved replies, help articles, and simple scripts. A typical shift means logging into a dashboard, answering similar questions, and following clear processes. Once you learn the product, the work becomes predictable. And for many people, that's a good thing. This role works well for beginners and career changers. Pay usually ranges from $12 to $20 per hour, and most communication happens through chat. These roles appear in the US, Canada, the Philippines, India, Nigeria, and other global markets. Search for live chat support agent, chat support representative, or customer support chat only. The next role is email support. Suits people who enjoy writing. Pay is usually $13 to $22 per hour. Quiet level is extremely high because the work happens mainly through inbox replies. It's often available worldwide. Green flag. You have more time to think before responding. Trade-off. Response time tracking during busy periods. Search on LinkedIn, Indeed, or company career pages for email support specialist, customer support, email customer experience associate, email. If these first roles feel too basic or too low paying, that's fair. The second half of this list is where the pay and calm improve. And I'll keep this practical. Exact job titles, what the shift looks like, and what to search for. Job number 3 is moderation or chat review. This is one of the quietest jobs available. This role fits detail-oriented people. Pay is typically $14 to $20 per hour. Quiet level is very high because you're reviewing content, not talking to customers. Green flag. No customers, no complaints, no upselling. Trade-off. The work can be repetitive. Some companies rotate moderation tasks to reduce mental fatigue during shifts. Search for Content Moderator Chat Review, Agent Trust and Safety Analyst. The next two roles are still chat-based, but can pay more. Job number 4 is social media customer support. You answer customers through direct messages. Most companies provide templates and guidelines, so you're adjusting tone rather than writing responses from scratch. It's fast, structured, and still chat-only work. Pay usually ranges from $15 to $23 per hour. The role is often available in the US, UK, the Philippines, India, and sometimes globally. Green flag, modern role with strong demand. Trade-off, some frustrated customers in DMs. Search for social media support agent, customer support, DMs, community support, customer service. Job number 5 is technical chat support. And no, you don't need to be a programmer. You help users with password resets, setup steps, and basic troubleshooting, all through chat. You rely heavily on internal documentation while you learn the product. If you enjoy structured problem solving, this role can feel calmer than general customer service. Pay typically ranges from $18 to $26 per hour. Green flag, real skill growth and stronger resume experience. Trade-off, expectations increase after training. Search for technical support, chat, product support specialist, chat. If you're still watching, this is where it gets interesting. The next role is where many people quietly earn more without ever getting on the phone. Most job seekers never search for this job, but they should. This role is B2B SaaS chat support. Instead of helping general consumers, you help professionals using software platforms. Search for roles like SaaS support agent, product support specialist, customer success, chat. These often appear under product or customer success teams. This is where many remote workers quietly earn more without calls. What makes this role different is the type of customer. You're usually helping professionals using software for their work. So conversations are calmer, clearer, and more problem-focused. Pay often ranges from $20 to $27 per hour, sometimes more. The trade-off is that the role is more competitive, so writing quality and your resume matter more here. Another option many people overlook is overnight chat support. Companies still need agents when customers are active in other time zones. Pay usually ranges from $16 to $28 per hour, and some companies offer night shift bonuses. Quiet level is very high because overnight shifts usually have fewer chats. Green flag, fewer applicants and less supervision. Trade-off, night schedules can affect sleep routines. Search for after-hours chat support, overnight customer support, chat 24/7, support, chat. Recap. If you prefer written communication, fewer calls, and quieter work environments, these chat-based support roles can be a realistic starting point. If you're actively applying for remote jobs, you can download my Smarter Job Search Guide. It helps you organize applications and avoid wasting time on roles that rarely hire. If you'd like, comment the number of the job you want a deeper video about. I'll make a follow-up video for that role. If you want more quiet remote work ideas, watch this next. 7 quiet remote jobs you can do with no calls or meetings.